Walgreens deals of the week. This week at Walgreens, I picked up these 4 diapers, 4 hand washes, and these 3 Oral-B toothbrushes, and I paid less than $1 for each one, and here's how. So the Pampers this week are buy 2 for $21, and I had 2 digital coupons for them. This is at Walgreens again, so I had 2 digital coupons for each set. One for $4 for the first set, and the other set had a digital coupon of $5. So the total savings was $9. So altogether, all 4 were $21 minus 9. You're at $33. But then you get back $5 in a register reward if you do it in person. But I did this online, so I would get $5 in Walgreens cash for that transaction. So you would pay about $28 for all 4 if you did it just by itself. But I did this all in one transaction. I did it for a pickup order. So the next thing I did was get 4 of the Dove hand soaps. They're at $4 each this week, so basically 2 for $8. And so for each set, I also had a digital coupon. So basically 2 digital coupons for that set of Doves. The first one had $4 off for the 2, and the second one had $3.99, which is pretty much $4 for the second set. So that means that every 2 soaps, I'm only paying $4 for both of them, or $2 each. And then the Oral-B toothbrushes are $5 each, because these are like the fancier ones, the Pro Flex. So they're $5 each, times 3 is $15, and you have a digital coupon of $5 that comes off for getting the 3. So you're already paying $10, but you are gonna get back, if you go in store, it's gonna be $5 in a register reward, and if you do it online like I did, then it would be $5 back from Walgreens cash, making the 3 of them just $5 divided within the 3. So individually, that's how you would do the transactions. I did it all together, and here's my receipt. So I just did this last night, and again, here are the $15 for the three toothbrushes. You're gonna see a discount here, so it's not the price I just told you a moment ago, and that's because I did it online and I used the promo code SCHOOL20, so SCHOOL 20, and that discounted $8.20, a total of $8.20. And so they just divided among the products. So the $7.99 is because somehow the 2 digital coupons combined, the $4 and the $3.99 for the soaps, that's how you get $7.99. And then the $5 that came off, the digital for the toothbrushes, somehow was split into 2. So one toothbrush, $166, and the other 2, $3 and change. Not sure what happened there. And again, for the $4 and $5 of the diapers, they just added both and split it and just put $4.50 each, but it's the same thing, $9. My total before taxes was $42 and change, but I did get back, and I'm gonna put a picture of it, I got back $22.60. So I'm already at $20 for all of this. However, some glitch or something crazy happened, and not only did I get all my points back into my account, but I also received 2 register rewards for this transaction. The one for the $5 of the Huggies and the $5 of the toothbrushes. But I already had gotten that within that amount of $22. So yes, I'm sorry, my video got cut off, but I ended up paying $42, got back $32, so all the 11 items were for $10. I hope you get yours, and don't forget to smile.